I am striking for
मी स्ट्राईक करत आहे का?
मैं इसमें भाग ले रहा हूँ
because our actions affects the environment.
जागतिक तापमानवाढ, जलवायू परिवर्तन आणि समुद्राच्या पाण्याच्या वाढत्या पातळीपासून वाचवण्यासाठी काही ठोस पावले उचलणे अत्यंत गरजेचे आहे. If you're still wondering for reasons to strike, here are a few. Mumbai is amongst the most vulnerable places to climate change. The IPCC and the NASA tell us that several parts of Mumbai will be underwater by 2050. Mumbai is the most polluted coastal city in India. The pollution levels in city are worrying. However, the ecosystems which sustain us during extreme weather events, the ecosystems which sustain life and biodiversity on this city are being destroyed due to unsustainable development and greed of a few. The coast, the mangroves, the wetlands, the forests, etc., which sustain us and life on this city are being destroyed. Sea reclamation is rampant across the city. If we don't step up now and save these ecosystems, stop this ecocide, we won't be able to save the city. Strike now or swim later.
for social justice for our indigenous communities. Imagine if someone came to your house and then told you you need to leave this house, leave your job, and it's all for the good of the nation. And in return, you'll just get a very nice suitcase to pack your things in. You tell that person they're crazy and to get lost. This is somewhat happening to our indigenous communities where certain corporations and governments are taking over land, that is forest land, mangroves, even farmland. The indigenous communities understand that we all have a collective ownership of air, water, soil, plants, and animals. To satisfy the greed of a few people, why are we ignoring the needs of all people?
मुंबई क्षेत्र का पर्यावरण खराब होता जा रहा है. मुंबई शहर में बीएमसी की 2017 की गणना के अनुसार हर 4 लोगों के लिए केवल एक पेड़ है और आज ये संख्या पेड़ों की और कम होके हर 8 से 10 लोगों के लिए सिर्फ एक पेड़ होगा. कभी मेट्रो के लिए तो कभी बुलेट ट्रेन के लिए या किसी और प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बिना सोचे समझे पेड़ों को काटने के या निकालने के प्रस्ताव आ जाते हैं. ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि पेड़ों के निकालने से वायु प्रदूषण होता है, गर्मी बढ़ती है और बाढ़ भी आते हैं. इसलिए पेड़ों को बचाने से ही हमारा जीवन बचेगा.
And the worst part is air conditioners. Like they consume 4 times more power than that of a ceiling fan. More than 4 times, in fact. And what makes it even more worst is when your electricity is powered from the electricity is powered from coal, that they use coal as a fuel, then that makes the worst part, because coal we need coal to burn so that it runs the generators, and coal releases a massive amount of carbon dioxide in the air. So now we need to explore our alternatives. Now what we can do is, instead of using a car, we can always go walking if it is close by, and we can always use public transport. And regarding air conditioners, our best thing is we need to stop upgrading our houses and our offices and our schools and colleges to the use of air conditioners. And even we should stop the needless use of air conditioners in our homes and everywhere, like offices. So because our actions affects the environment.